old PK Ripper race bike into a ski bike. We're gonna use this kit from Drifter Ski Bikes. Probably could have built our own, but it's pretty sick. And we got these 88 centimeter ski boards. And yeah, let's get into it. All right, step one, we're gonna strip the bike, take the wheels off, take the chain off, switch the seat out, take the plates off, so that we can switch it to ski boards. Alright, so I'm going to tell you guys how to use the chain brake tool, because we're definitely going to want to take the chain off, because otherwise it'll just be in the way, because it's not like you're pedaling. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to look for these little like teeth things, line it up, and then you're going to want to push it through, but not far, like not all the way, because if you push it all the way, it's going to be really hard to use the chain again. And then you're gonna see the pin is almost all the way out, but not quite. And then it'll be a lot easier to put it back on if you ever wanna. All right, now we're gonna take the chain ring off, because you definitely don't want that, because it'll just rip your snow pants and be gnarly. And then we thought about grinding these off, but then the cranks are kind of toast. So we're just gonna leave them on for now. Alright, so if you guys just bought this kit, you're probably wondering which one goes on the rear and which one goes on the front. The wider of the two will be the rear. Okay, so you're going to want to keep everything loose for now. You can tighten it later. And then this, you're going to clamp to your seat stay and to the rear ski support. Alright, we got the rear done. Now we just gotta put the front on, then we can put the skis on. Alright, so we just ran into a problem, because this clamp has to clamp around here and go through there, but it doesn't fit. So we're gonna drill that out. Does that look straight?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Oh yeah, it's already lined up. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so looks like we drilled it pretty good. Fits through. Yeah, we're gonna go to the next step. Okay, we got everything roughly mounted on. We're just gonna take it off the stand and dry fit it to the skis on the ground to make sure that everything's level. I'm not ready. This is starting to look pretty sick. We got the layout done. We just gotta mount the skis. We're gonna use some blue thread lock just so that the bolts don't like back out while you're ski biking. And yeah, let's get it done. We just got pretty much everything done. There's just one last step. You're gonna wanna find your pedal position, then bungee your crank to the rear chainstay. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Pretty excited to get this out on the slopes. We got the Drifter Snowbike kit attached to our SE Racing PK Ripper. Yeah, subscribe if you want to see some videos of this. Stoked to get it out.